Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name is Joany and I'll be teaching some belly dancing. Lately, it's been fun here in Mississippi and also in Alabama because I've been asked to teach belly dancing to the West Coast swing community. So I'm learning some West Coast swing and at the same time I'm teaching them the belly dancing. So yesterday I had a really great class and now I thought it would be great to teach you guys on YouTube some belly dance into your swing. So if you love swing dancing and you want to incorporate more body movement and isolation, well, you're going to enjoy this video. So let's go and get into something comfortable and dance. As always, we need to focus on the posture first in everyday life and mostly in dancing. So deep breath in up, bring your arms up, breathe out, relax the arms on the shoulder blades. Bring your weight on the arch of your feet, soft knee, little tuck in the pelvis here. Keep this long goal axis right here, sternum up. Good. Let's start with hip sway, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Good. All right, nice hip sway going up and down. We're going to be doing some West Coast swing movements, well, steps, adding these beautiful movements on top of those patterns. So in West Coast swing, you have the walk, triple step, okay? But let's focus on the triple step without losing the hip sway. So we're adding our nice little belly dancing hip movement into our West Coast swing. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and hold. 1 and 2 and hold. Sway, sway and hold. Sway, sway and hold. Sway, sway and hold. Sway, sway those hips. Good. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let's add some traveling step. We're going to go to the right. 1 and 2. Good. Keep swaying those hips as you're moving. Small steps. Here we go. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. To the right. Good. So it's a step, chasse, step. Step together, step. Step, chasse, step. Step, chasse means chasing after the feet, but it's bringing your feet together. 1 on the end. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Step together. Step together, step. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Good. 1 and 2. 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 Step together, step. Good. Keep those hips sway. Step out, step together. Step out, step together. Step out, step together. Keep going. 1 and 2. So add a nice little hip sway. Good. So now we're going to do here, we're going to go in place 1 and I want you to bring your left foot back 2. Good. So we go step together back and actually let's go, hold on, right, left, step. Let's start with your left foot, your right foot. 1 and good. Step back on 2. 1 and 2. Step together back. 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 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So this is your first triple step. in your West Coast swing. Now we're gonna do the second set of, which is, we call it the anchor step. 1 and 2. So you're gonna go 1 and 2. Now I want you to bring your left foot back in third position. Okay, so third position basically is just bringing your foot back, your arch behind the heel. Okay, so the arch behind that heel, third position. So we go, right foot, 1 and 2. Keep that right foot here. Bring your left foot behind to third position. And then you go 1 in place and 2. That right foot stays there. Okay? So you go left foot back, 1 and 2. Start over. Let's bring the right foot, start here. We're gonna go 1 and 2. Bring your left foot behind, 1 and 2. Right foot, 1 and 2, back. Left foot behind, 1 and 2. Step right, 1 and 2 behind. Left foot behind on 1 and 2. We do this one more time. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Add those hips away. 1 and 2. 1 and now here I want you to kind of sit into it a little bit more. Nice, like there's a high bench here and you're sitting on that bench. And we go. 1 and 2. Step behind left. 1 and sit all the way down. Like you have a nice little crease here. Okay, and you're sitting on a high bench. Here you go. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And one more time. 1 and 2. 1 and sit. Good. Okay, so now we're gonna go and add a little bit more hip sway. 1 and 2. Sway and sit. Right foot. 1 and 2. Sway and sit. Okay, so this last third triple step, I want you to really sit and sway those hips. And we go. 1 and 2. Sway that left foot with the hip. And then hip right and then sit. And when you sit, try not to bring your butt. You still have a nice posture, okay? Your rib cage is underneath your pelvis, okay? You're not sticking out. Okay, we're doing good. So we're gonna walk now. Right foot, rock forward. Right foot, left foot. And then your triple step. 1 and 2. Left foot, hip sway, back. And then forward and sit. Let's do that again. We're gonna walk, walk, triple step, triple step. Walk, walk, triple step, and triple sit. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, bring your feet together on 3 and step back on 4. Left foot behind, 5 and 6. Don't forget to use those hips sway on 5 and 6. Really emphasize on that 5 and 6. Here we go. 1, 2, triple step, 5 and sit. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 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 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and sit. Good. We're gonna add some shoulder roll. Okay, so we're gonna add a count of 8 counts total. So we're gonna go right 7, 8. 7, 8. Shoulder roll. 7, 8. Good. Let's put it all together. Walk, walk. Left foot on my right foot. Your right foot, my left. 1, 2, feet together. 3, and bring your right foot behind. 4. Keep that right foot and then go back, left foot. 5 and 6. Shoulder roll, right, left. Let's do that together. And we go. Walk, walk, triple step, and triple step, and shoulder roll. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Let me face the back. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, triple step, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Now, focus on the hips. One, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Walk, triple step, 7, 8. And that is your basic count, which is 6, and then adding a shoulder roll on 7, 8, a West Coast swing. We'll be doing a little bit more West Coast swing because this is something that I've been doing and really liking it. So it's something new for me too. And I'm adding my belly dance into my swing, making it way more fun and playful. So I'll see you in the next video and have a beautiful day.